had to stop school kasi I took a leave of absence just so that I could work and make enough money to go back to school.
Doon mo ikikwento buong buhay mo. Doon mo kailangan ipakita kung ba't mo kailangan yung scholarship. Hindi lang pa-cute, hindi lang kasi may extracurricular ka. Pero kung ano ka.
When I got into the next round, it was just prayers that really helped me. I just kept the faith and I knew that God wouldn't put me through something that I couldn't handle. So I just believed. I just believed that somehow, if not first, ito na nga, I got second. And
actually, nung sumali ako, mas lalo akong na-inspire mag-aral. Honestly. Lalo na 5 years pa ako sa Lasal. Tapos doon ko nalaman na may opportunities pala dito sa school na hindi lang org, pero bibigyan ko nila ng chance na parang ito, babayaran nila yung tuition mo for a whole term. Pero, ayun nga, na-change kasi hindi ko in-expect na kaya ko. And napa-realize sa akin ng LSP na lahat ng tao may equal chance. Lahat ng tao deserving. Basta determined ka lang, basta sabihin mo lang yung totoo kung ano talaga yung buhay mo. Hindi lang pa-cute, hindi lang porket maraming extracurricular. Pero kung ano talaga yung buhay mo. Hiko, yun yung naging edge ko.
That I needed to pay my own tuition. And because of that, I couldn't really move. LaSallian scholarship program changed that totally because they gave me more funds. They gave me more funds to work with. Now instead of having to pay for my tuition, I was able to use that money as capital. And luckily, again, this other venture called Animo Biz, which was a LaSallian program also, gave me a venue to set my business up. And I had that capital and I had that opportunity and just everything just fell into place. God's really good.
So sana sali kayo kasi hindi nyo naman alam kung mangyayari. I mean, if it's for you, it's for you. But then, you tried. Sayang kasi pag di mo tinry eh. What if ikaw na pala yung first place? So,